The Bhairav contingent is a newly raised high-tech combat unit of the Indian Army designed to bridge the operational gap between regular infantry units and the elite para-special forces. Now, the contingent makes its maiden entry on the Kartavya Path this Republic Day. DD India's correspondent Vishal Baristo finds out more.
Time on the Kartavya Path, we have the Bhairav contingent, and I have with me the contingent commander. As you can see, their all faces are masked. Why so?
Faces have been masked generally to disclose our identity. We don't want that our people, they should be seen in public form. Only for that purpose, for security reason, all the faces are masked.
How hard have you prepared for this day, and what kind of excitement is there?
Excitement is up to its peak, and if you ask me how hard it has been trained, that we have given our blood and sweat both to do this. I would say to live up to the expectations of this opportunity to march on Kartavya Path, you need to give your sweat and blood both, and we have given it, and we are fully prepared for it.
We had already a commando force, but you have exceeded that limit. So in what way the lean and mean machine is going to be very, very special for the armed forces?
Actually, this raising of Bhairav battalion, it is in this modern warfare, it has been raised to breach the gap, and it has been made specifically to impart that specific and high intensity impact onto the enemy in a very shorter time frame. That is the main motive for this, and we have been trained well and equipped well that this can be imparted onto our enemy.
So there you hear from the contingent commandant, they are all ready to take on the Kartavya Path, and the nation is also waiting for this special contingent because they have been trained and selected in a very specific way. With cameraman Vish Bandhu in Delhi, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.